All right, we have our hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna come in with a medium bowl, and we're just gonna push the yolks out oh so gently, making sure not to break our whites. So that's super quick with our 8 eggs. All right, this is our last one. Beautiful. All right, so we have our yolks in there. I'm instantly gonna come in with some Duke's mayo, and we're gonna add about 1/2 cup of mayo right in there with our yolks. Beautiful. And then I personally love Dijon with this, so we're gonna do some Dijon mustard in there. You can add as much or as little as you like.
All that water in there.
I know. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup right in there. Beautiful. And then I love to add just a little bit of garlic paste just for like some extra flavor. This is optional. I'm just gonna add like a pinch of it. We don't need too much because that's a lot of garlic. A little bit of salt in there, and then a little bit of a pepper. We're keeping it super simple. Beautiful. Now we are gonna go ahead and grab our hand mixer, and we are going to mix this all together, making sure that those yolks get nice and separated. All right, it looks perfect. We're just gonna put that to the side for now, and we are going to bring in our orange food dye to make this fun and festive. We're just gonna start with a little, and then we can always add more, but we wanna make sure it's nice and orange. I'm gonna switch to a spatula, but I'm gonna first add just a little bit more orange, just so it's more vibrant. But you don't have to add as much as me. You don't even have to add food dye. You could find something more natural to add to this, but I wanted this to be super easy. So we're mixing this together until it is all one shade of orange. All right, and this is what we want it to look like. Now I'm gonna bring in a piping bag with a tip in it already, and we're just gonna go ahead and open this up and get all of that delicious egg yolk mixture right into our piping bag super quick. Then I have my egg whites already ready on my platter that I just got from the Dollar Tree. Super easy. Go ahead and get this nice and tight and start filling our yolks, just like so, with our yummy mixture. Look how cute those are, but we're not done yet. We have some more festiveness coming, but let's fill these up super quick. All right, we're almost done, and we had the perfect amount of filling. If anything, we had a little extra, which is always a good thing. All right, and all deviled eggs need a little bit of paprika, so we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle. Ooh, okay, that might be too much. They need to fix this bottle. So I'm gonna grab some chives, and we probably only need like one little string of chives. And we are going to cut a little pumpkin stem and place it right there so that we have a pumpkin deviled egg. How cute is that?
Super cute. Action.
Oh my goodness, our cute little Thanksgiving appetizer is all set, and it was so easy. It's time to give one a try. Oh, I love deviled eggs, and this spin on it is just way too cute.
Is it good?
That is